Why do cats have snake eyes when big cats don't? Buckle up, because what I'm about to tell you will change the way you see your cat forever. Cats weren't just worshipped by the ancient Egyptians because they were cute or good luck. No. What if I told you they were worshipped because they hold the key to one of the greatest conspiracies of all time? A mind control conspiracy that spans millennia. And it's happening right now, even to you. None of the big cats, like lions or tigers, have those slitted pupils. So, why do house cats, the small ones, have reptilian eyes like snakes, creatures that ancient cultures also worshipped? This wasn't just a coincidence. In fact, what if those ancient Egyptians knew something about cats that we've forgotten, something much darker? There's this little parasite called T. gondii, and he's the most successful parasite on the planet. 1 to 2/3 of humans are infected. Yeah, that means it's highly likely you've already got it right now. But here's the kicker. This parasite can live in many hosts, like rats or even humans, but it can only complete its life cycle in one animal, cats. That's right, your cat is the final destination for this mind-controlling parasite. And get this, it actually rewires the brains of its hosts to make them behave recklessly. Rats, for example, lose their fear of cats when they're infected, practically walking right into the cat's mouth. But what does this have to do with humans? Well, studies suggest that T. gondii doesn't just affect rats, it can manipulate human behavior too, causing increased sensation seeking and addiction. And ever wonder why people become so weirdly obsessed with cats? What if it's not just because they're cute? What if it's because this parasite has subtly been influencing human behavior for thousands of years? Why have cat videos always been a part of viral internet media? Remember, ancient Egyptians didn't just keep cats around, they worshipped them. Maybe they were onto something, or maybe they were under the influence of something they couldn't see. But here's where things get really wild. You've heard about, in Egypt, they had Bastet, a goddess with the head of a cat. But what if the cat wasn't just symbolic? What if those ancient Egyptians knew that cats weren't just ordinary animals? Black cats in particular were seen as sacred. And here's the real conspiracy. What if black cats aren't just cats at all? What if they're interdimensional beings slipping into our reality from other dimensions, taking the form of sleek, silent felines? Why else do we associate black cats with witches? There have been countless reports of shadowy figures in the form of black cats appearing in paranormal encounters. And what if parasites are the physical hosts for demons? So, the next time your cat stares at you with those snake eyes, just remember, it's not just a pet, it's a part of something much bigger, something ancient, something that might just be controlling you in ways you can't even imagine. And maybe, just maybe, that purring on your lap isn't as innocent as it seems.